Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Wark. I'm a physiotherapist at SOS Physiotherapy in Elmira. I'm just shooting a quick video to let you all know about a free knee pain and injuries webinar that we're going to be doing on February the 9th at 4:30 in the afternoon. And I'm going to be joined on this webinar by Courtney and Colton, two of our clinicians from our Belmont office. And in this webinar, we're going to be touching on meniscal tears, ligament sprains, tendinopathies, injuries that we commonly see here in the clinic. And so we'll talk about what they are and how they happen and a little bit of treatment that can be done for those things. And we'll also touch on bracing and look at whether that might be something that's indicated for some of those situations as well. So if this is something that interests you, if you're someone who's had a knee injury or you know someone who's got a knee injury that would benefit from being on this webinar, that we would encourage you to share this link with them. And that the way to register for this webinar is through the link that is contained below this video or by calling any one of our offices, and one of our front desk staff can help set you up with that. So we look forward to seeing as many of you as can make it on February the 9th at 4:30.